Hello everyone, welcome to Shorthand Battle. I am Divya and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of above 110 words per minute. So be ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1 and go. Shri L.M. Singh, Learned Counsel for the applicant, submits that this was a case which prima facie indicated a relationship between the appellant and the victim who wanted to live together, and the victim, who belongs to an inferior caste, having failed to get the blessings of her guardians, was allegedly assaulted and done to death by her kith and kin, or on account of being humiliated by them, she may have committed suicide. It is further submitted that the entire investigation, the post-mortem report, the Panchnama and the stand of the villagers, who could have been independent witnesses, clearly support the case of the applicant who has been falsely implicated and charge-sheeted for the offence as alleged. Shri L.M. Singh has invited the attention to the various allegations contained in the bail application and has assisted the court with parts of the case diary as produced by the learned AGA to substantiate his pleadings. In short, the contention of the learned counsel is that the victim appears to have been brutally assaulted at her own house by her own kith and kin. Learned AGA contends that any defect in the investigation will not dilute the complicity of the applicant, and in view of the heinous nature of the offence, the applicant does not deserve bail and there is no parity with his parents so as to grant him bail. Learned AGA further submits that the manner in which the girl came to be recovered on the pointing out by the applicant himself, and further from the mental condition of the girl as well as the statement of the witnesses, it is clear that the applicant had abetted the offence and had also outraged the modesty of the victim forcibly. He further submits that the post-mortem reflects the cause of injury due to ante-mortem shock burn injuries, and therefore it is a clear case of suicide on the instigation and intimidation of the applicant. It is also stated by her that when she reached the police station along with her husband, the applicant was there and he informed that the victim was lying tied down with a rope in a nearby field of the applicant. The mother of the victim and the others returned back, and at about 5 p.m. in the evening, they recovered the girl tied with a rope and her face covered with a cloth, whereafter they took her home. At that point of time, it is alleged that the victim informed the parents that she had been forcibly taken away by the applicant to his house, where he had committed rape, and with the help of his father, he had allegedly taken her to the agricultural field and tied her hands and feet and left her there. It is further stated that when they were at home, then one Shiv Prakash approached them and threatened them not to take any action and to forget whatever has happened to their daughter. Stop.